Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an address in Litchi. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on your profile there. After that, press on My Addresses and press on Add Address. Here you can just enter your name, the country you have to select, the city, zip code, street and house number, and after that all you need to do is just press on save and you will be able to add that address here to this page. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.